Hey guys, if you're replacing your rotors, cleaning them, or just adjusting them while you have them off, it's a good idea to go ahead and paint them. You can prevent this rust and make sure it doesn't spread out to other parts of the drum. So all you have to do is you're going to use some rust as a primer. I got rust remover, and then I have some paint to make sure that it's at high temps and it will stay on. So easy enough. All we have to do is first use the primer. Get a nice good coat on it. Make sure I get that rust area too. And let it dry. Next I'll come back with the black paint, and then from here you're going to have shoes that are protected from rust and corrosion. Once the primer dries, put on a layer of coat or a coat of paint, and it'll be ready to install back onto the vehicle. And there we go.